Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are all fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Class 5, our today's English lecture is about Shabbir Sharif and the Nishane Haider. You know students who was Shabbir Sharif? He was our brave soldier. His full name was Major Muhammad Shabbir Sharif and he murdered in the war of 1971. Today we are going to read about him and after this you will read the whole chapter. You will learn the difficult words as dictation and will do practice in your notebooks as well. Do you remember reading about Major Aziz Bhatti and the Nishane Haider Military Award in Grade 4? It is the highest award that a member of the armed forces can receive. It is given for acts of bravery during combat, and only a select few have been awarded it, such as Raja Aziz Bhatti, Tufail Muhammad, and others. One of those select few is Major Muhammad Shabir Sharif. And you can learn these fact files such as he was born on 28 April 1943 in Kunja, Gujarat district. He died on 1971. Army services 1961 to 1971 in the 6th Battalion of the Frontier Force Regiment. Awards Sword of Honor, Sitare Jurad and Nishane Haider. The Nishane Haider. Students, what is Nishane Haider? Nishane Haider is the highest military award given to those who fought bravely and murdered to protect their country. The Indo Pakistan War of 1971 lasted only 13 days. It is one of the shortest wars in history, but many people were injured, killed, or displaced during it. During the war, Major Shabir Sharif was ordered to lead his company of soldiers on a mission to take control of an area of land near what is now the western border between the two countries. Major Shabir Sharif led his company to meet their target and then held off attacks from the other side. A few days later, they came under attack again. This time, the strikes came from the air as well as ground forces. During this battle, when a gunner from his company was injured, Major Shabir Sharif stepped in to take over. It was while he was firing at the approaching tanks that he was hit and killed. He was awarded the Nishane Haider for his bravery during the battle. Other key information about him: on completion of his training, he was awarded the Sword of Honor. He is the only person to have received both the Nishane Haider and the Sitare Jurrat. He is regarded as the most decorated officer of the Pakistan Army. He enjoyed playing squash and was a good swimmer. Students, you must underline the difficult words while learning, such as combat, displaced, and other words which you can learn with spellings and understand them. If you have any question, you can ask. Now let's come towards our other topic. Letter to mother about the test you have just taken. Okay, students, when we attempt a letter, there are some rules to follow. First one, the header pattern. Because we write letter in our schools or in our exams, so we write here examination hall. E and H are written in capital form and at the end we put a comma. We write city A B C because there is no specific address is allowed to written in letters, and we put comma here because address is incomplete. The date format is 27th August, comma 2026 and full stop. You can write any date in your letter. It's not compulsory to write the same date, right? The next step is dear mother. We write here dear mother because we are writing letter to our mother. If you have to write letter to your friend, to your brother, to your sister, you will write subject according to given instructions. After this, you will start writing letter. You will put comma here and you will start writing here from with this gap under the subject. Okay class, as you know that we are writing letter to mother about the test, so we'll write here the relevant material. Irrelevant material in the letter is not allowed. I hope you are fine. I received your letter yesterday. I was busy in preparation of my monthly test. I have done in all tests. I have made up my deficiencies as well. I hope to get A plus grade in all subjects. I need your prayers. Okay students, here we end our first paragraph. In the next line, pay my salam to all at home. In the case of respect, we will write this line, and after this we will come towards footer, your loving daughter, because we are writing to mother. So we will mention our relation here. You can also write your sincerely and other words, but we write here your loving daughter, comma, and then as we write here city A, B, C, so we write here X, Y, Z. We will not mention our real name. Okay, class. Now you have to write this letter in your notebooks and learn it by heart. And if you have any question, you can ask. Okay, class. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.